my gosh.
Dang electric Goodyear crap. Battery's dead.
Alright guys. Going live right before we head to the race. Had to come over here to the Wolf compound, get the bikes loaded up. It's freezing balls. It wasn't supposed to be this cold. What do you think about the temperature?
I'd say it's about 6 or 9 degrees out here.
It's way colder than that.
Overall, not bad. So you put some hair on your chestnuts.
Yep, ice all over the bikes. They already don't want to start.
Well, I haven't even started mine in what, 6 or 9 years?
Something like that.
Let's see if she starts.
I'd say she's ready.
I'll argue with that. Alright. Yeah.
Well, I think we're ready to get on the road. Definitely too cold to race, but do that again. Good thumbnail. Okay. Alright.
Time to hit the hardwood hills.
Time to hit the hardwood hills. Look at that boy walk out here. Wonder what he got. Oh, he got what? Oh, he got a white monster, of course. We had to stop here at the gas station to get some Hank's Grab and Go hot ham and cheese and some white peach Red Bulls. What'd you get?
I got
Ooh, how delightful.
White monster. Hot ham and cheese sandwich. And some other desserts.
Sounds delightful.
Yes.
Alright, well, if we don't get pulled over, we'll see you guys at the race.
So we made it about...
We made it how far? We made it 20 feet, guys.
30 yards maybe, out of the parking lot.
He said bike fell over. I thought he was joking. Oh my gosh. Of course this would happen to us when we're trying to get there.
Alright, we're Gucci.
Well, I guess if... What? Alright, well, now we'll see you guys at the race. Maybe or maybe not.
I declare it's correct.
We'll find out. Alright guys, we're live again. Just got here at the race.
I'll do some quick tuning real quick.
Oh yeah.
Bump my idle up a little bit. There we go. Is this thing working? Well, it's putting out some hydrobuzz. Alright.
Not very much. It's not even cold out here, is it?
Dang electric Goodyear crap. Battery's dead. Should have brought the Milwaukee.
Alright, we're getting dressed right now to go practice.
Time to hit the hardwood hills, boys.
Time to hit the hardwood hills. It's pure ice, so we're gonna see what it be like. Alright guys, we just got back from practice. What do you think?
My hands are cold.
My hands are frozen solid. We got the heat on, trying to get our hands warmed up. Pretty sure we got frostbite. Bikes are caked up in mud so bad. What do you think about the track, other than the weather?
Well, the ruts are deep, which is very hard on these pet bikes.
Oh yeah.
Other than that, it's not too bad. Pretty rocky.
What do you think about the hill climb?
Hill climb wasn't nothing.
Oh yeah.
I can do that all day. In my sleep. My fingertips are so cold.
So are mine. Well, that was our post-practice interview. Pro riders on pit bikes, racing in C-Class.
Exactly.
Alright, well, that's it, ain't it? Guess I'll update you guys when I'm on the front line of C-Class. Maybe we can get whole shot. You never know.
All I'm saying is you just as well as walk out there and get a good picture of the back of my bike, because that's all you're going to be seeing all day.
Here we go. Oh, shoot! Bro down, bro down. That ain't good. Bike won't go. There he goes. from the race right now. Got the bikes loaded in the back that you can't see because I don't know where they are. But they're back there. What do you think about the second race, since I didn't race it?
It was pretty rutted. Really just another easy day. Nothing too difficult. Just a little pin it to win it. And apparently I didn't pin it because I didn't win it. First race, well, I took you for first. Second race came out. Another down on the start. The bike stalled, had a big old twig stick wrapped around the wheel. Bike wouldn't go, had to pull that out and then took off. Made some passes, got my way into third by the end of the first lap, and came around 16 seconds behind the guy ahead of me. Came around the next lap, 16 seconds behind him, and was going full send on the last lap, and came out 8 seconds behind him. So didn't get it done, so I got a first and a third, and the guy that won first place overall got a third and a first. So second moto he got me, so he takes the overall win. So I'm going home with a second place and my tail tucked between my legs. He may or may not be more sore than me. I doubt he is. But it was fun. It was a good day. So
All right, well, I think we're going to end it here. Maybe next time we'll be at the dunes.
end the year.
Do what?
End the year, is that what you said?
No.
Oh.
End of the video.
Oh, end the vid.
And be like Biff, do it for Dale. We are doing a 100 subscriber giveaway, but it'll probably be over by the time you watch the video. But like the video if you want, and if you don't like it, then don't like it. We don't care. Sound good? Like the video, okay?
Like the video. If you liked it. If you didn't like it, don't like it. Leave a comment. Let us know what you didn't like about it. Tell us how much we suck.
We need comments to know what we need to improve on the videos.
Exactly.
This is our first actual vlog, so.
Yeah. Next thing you know, we'll be like Buttery.
Oh yeah. Heading out to Glamis.